Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 62 how to turn on the comments on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone. Go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, go to the post that we turned off the comments for. Click on this, go to the right top corner of the screen, click on the three dots, and then turn on the commenting. Once we do that, go to the comment, and now the comments are available. Go back once, go back to your profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.